Hello everyone, my name is Stiven. So I'm 23 years old. I'm a professional tour guide, and I'm originally from the countryside of Medellín city. So I've lived in Community 13 for approximately 21 years. Right now I came here when I was 2 years old, and I just want to talk a little bit about Community 13. So Community 13, this community that you see here. So here we have the escalators. Approximately 20 years ago, it used to be the most dangerous communities in the whole country. So thanks to the government bill and escalators in the 2012, we have been really changing a lot. And right now we're one of the safest places that we have in the complete city and one of the most visited places that we have around here. So as you see, we have a lot of transformation right now here. Basically, this transformation happened just because we got an escalators, which is the only one in South America, which is fantastic. But as well, the people in the community decide to start doing a lot of art, and they decide to start breakdancing, painting graffiti. Right now, thanks to all of this, we have a lot of talented people around here. So we are the most graffiti neighborhood in the complete city, and we're one of the most visited neighborhoods right now, thanks to the tourism and all of the work that these people have done around here. So I just want to tell you that life here 20 years ago used to be pretty difficult. I lose a couple of friends. So growing up here in the middle of the war of the narco traffic is one of the most difficult things for when you're young people. It's so difficult, but right now I think that it's just so happy. I'm just so happy to be here and to see all of these really transform and actually could live here in peace and work in my place as a tour guide, showing all of the process of this community, and as well showing my process of growing is such a privilege that I have here. So this is the escalators here. This is part of the Community 13, which is one of the existing communities, and I'm really happy to actually have all of this transformation process in my community. So I really highly recommend you to come here and to visit here and keep in touch to talk more about Community 13.